Another zinc penny. Right there. I'll just pop it up. Just give it a little pop. Ooh, there's some dark soil in there. That could be a really good thing, but it's another zinc. Almost didn't make it in my bag right there. So let me pull up my knee pads here. Okay, so that one doesn't sound like a pull tab actually. It sounds like something different. It might be deep too. I'm thinking it's gonna be deep. Yeah, it's gonna be deep, man. Where did it go? Where did this thing go? It's right at the bottom of the hole. Yep. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be a relic. I'm sure hoping so. I see something down there. It's gonna be another one of those bullets where it's a pen. It's a pen, man. I'll just throw that one away. How about that? Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what else we can get here. I want to get some silver here, man. That's sounding pretty good. It's probably a clad quarter though. It's not very deep. It might start raining here in a few minutes. It could be a silver dime, a little bit deeper. No, not gonna be a silver dime. No. I've just found a lot of silver in this neighborhood, man. It's right there. It's a penny. Reading up really high like that. Copper memorial. Man, I'm just not having any luck with any yards lately. Man, the curb strips is where it's at, man. The curb strips are where all the silver's at, man. There's a mid-tone there. It's really jumpy. So I'm not expecting this one to be anything epic. Probably just a pull tab. Oh, what was that? Dude, right on the surface, man. Didn't even see that. It's right on the surface. Look at that. It's a little bird. I don't think it's gold. It's too dull to be gold. But that is epic, man. That's cool. It's a little pendant. I will definitely be testing that because it's really heavy. It's a little dove. No, I don't think it's a dove, but it's cool. A little bit of jewelry right on the surface. I mean, it's probably just a fresh drop or something. It wasn't even down there anyways. Come on. This one sounds, like it might be deep, man. No, it's not. It's a pull tab. Right there. No, it's junk. It's a little light bulb. That's interesting to me. That one might not be deep. It might be another piece of jewelry right on the surface. Oh, it's grunting really bad on me. This probably won't be able to hit it, but it's probably right on the surface, some foil or something. I'm gonna have to cut this one in half. Cut it in half. See if it's right in there somewhere. This one was trying to fool me. gonna be right in here somewhere. That's a bullet right there. See? Just like I thought, it sounded kind of shallow. It's actually not a bullet, it is a lead sinker. A slide sinker for fishing. Yes, sirree. Look at that. Getting some of that out of the ground. That's what I'm talking about. Something really big there. I am up, jacked up to 92. Let's go down to 83. Something big. So where's the silver out here, man? Oh, that sounds awesome, man. Look at how stable that is. It's probably another piece of jewelry about an inch deep. But I'm digging a big plug just to prepare myself. If it's still in the hole, I'm in the good. Nope. Dude. Man, it's gonna be right on the surface of this plug. So what I'll do is just go like this. I'll just stab it right in the center and just destroy it. It's probably right on the surface. I probably should have pinpointed it first before I stabbed it. Because then I can get this piece of jewelry out or something. Jewelry does this to me a lot. It's just the way it goes, man. It's right here. Where's it at? It sounds so stinking good too, man. Let me just pry it out or something. Is it junk? I could swear it's just not gonna be junk, man. It sounded so clean. It was right there. What is it? It's junk. That one fooled me a little bit. Had me going. So I'll pack it all up on the left side there, because that's where I'm gonna dump the plug at. Right there. Oh, the clouds are rolling in. I might have to go get my rain gear out. It says it's really deep, but I don't think it is. Lower conductors shouldn't be that deep. I'm gonna dig a deep hole though, just in case. There might be some lead or some or brass or something. It's right there, whatever it is. Right there. What is it? Dude, it's the cap. Oh, that thing is way old. What in the heck is that go to? What is that? That's old. I would say that's pretty old. It kind of reminds me of something. It's like a part to a lamp or something. I'm not really sure. I can't remember exactly what. If there's a hole in it? No, there's not a hole in it. Oh, there is. Yeah, I think it goes to a lamp or something. But that's pretty old. I would say that's from the 60s, at least from the 60s. Maybe even older. Most likely it's going to be older. Cool. That's the kind of stuff that I keep, man. Oh, there's more of it down there. More iron. I don't really know what to say about this one. Nail? Is this right here? Yes, it is. It's some iron. Yep, just some junk. Make sure here. Let's scrub it up. It's iron. I actually don't know what it is, but it's garbage to me. Pinpoint. Get all out of the hole. My pinpointer's malfunctioning. And it's not my batteries either. So I might have to replace this pinpointer. I'm gonna skip it for now. I'm gonna go over here in the beds, because This is where the silver's gonna be at, man. Look at that rock right there. That's cool. It's an awesome rock. It's giving me a high tone. It should be giving me a mid-tone with that. I don't know why it's way off the side over here. Man, that is way off my pinpointed area. Could it be big? A toy or something? I think it knows a bottle cap. A big bottle cap too. Some water one. I don't know what these are. Monster drink or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't drink that stuff anyway. I just drink water. So there's a lot of modern stuff here. I wasn't finding much. Oh, that sounds killer. In the 40s, man. I like those 40 targets, man. 40s numbers are good for me. Just perfect mid-tones, man. Just find a lot of jewelry that reads up as 40. Lots of jewelry that reads up as 40. What's that? Dude, it's an old bottle cap. Just rusty as can be. That's really odd reading up as 40, man. But it was bent and really super rusty. Man, that sounds really good, but it's saying that it's really deep. Huh. So I'm gonna do some testing on the machine tonight. I'm gonna test it out when I get home. I'm gonna try to adjust it a little bit. Make some fine-tuning adjustments to my saved settings. Do that every once in a while. Usually I do that when I'm in the field, like when I'm in curb strips or a field or a park or a school. I make my fine-tuned adjustments to it when I'm out in the field rather than at home. But I don't save those settings. I'm just trying them out. I'm testing them. I'm testing the settings. It takes a lot of tweaking along with the settings to be able to dig up a lot of coins. Man, it's I'm always adjusting stuff as I go. Okay, there we go. There's some coins in the front yard.